And then what we want to do is have a set zone with the Space Hut for visitors. On site. Hey. Cheers! Hey. In New York.
Oh, I love New York. The energy, the people, the opportunities, it's amazing.
We're not here to take part.
We're here to take over.
Tomorrow I have a call at 4:30. Do we know what time we could potentially come back at?
Client perspective, why would they want to go with Wayleader?
Well, if they add a lot, let's say they're like, great, Wayleader adds a ton of value, we love this.
Running in the sun, there is nothing better in the world. New house. Getting pure inspiration from seeing these mansions everywhere. And I have to say, it's important every now and again to see this stuff where you want to be, and just gives you the energy to drive on. It's been a busy couple of weeks with the business. We've hired a lot of new people, really going after growth. It's we landed a few of our biggest clients to date, and it's just such an exciting time for the business. And with everything moving so fast, sometimes it takes a weekend of slowing down to help you, put things in the right place in your head. And for anyone who's running a business, growing a business, who feels, like things are moving too fast, I'd recommend taking a few days, trying to, if you can, and trying to give ownership to the people around you, so you can go and think about the strategy, think about the business, how to work on the business instead of inside the business, which is a real problem for many entrepreneurs. Just take that step back, and it helps you take 2 steps forward and gives you a clear mind to execute when you come back. The Irish flag, huh? Hey! Hey! I think a big part of my success to date has helped me to get to where I am is this ability to just stop, look at the big picture, and reflect on what I've been doing the last couple of weeks and months, and reassess if it's the right thing to do. Part of my this year's goals was to give a lot more ownership to the team, especially as it's growing. And I was able to step back end of Q1 and just think about that, and make sure I took those steps to give my team more control, more ownership, and understand that they can make more decisions themselves. And so it's taken that time to just reflect, and I think that is super powerful, and I've already seen some massive strides from the team by just giving them that extra space. And all of these decisions that you make as a business owner, they're so critical for the business. It's important you take a little bit more time to reflect.
too.